Good afternoon everybody, Steve here from my leisure home. I hope you're all well. Just about to do this behind me. What a glorious day it is over here at Barkham Manor. This behind me then is the Love Oakland Lodge. It's 40 by 20. It's sited already on a lakeside plot with decking. I'm going to take you for a wander around it now. Prepare to be amazed. So this is the Love Oakland Lodge. As I say, 40 by 20, 2 bedroom, 6 berth, sited with the decking on a beautiful lakeside plot down at Barkham Manor, which is a 12-month holiday park just outside of Skegness. Now, as you can see straight away with the decking, it really does set it off. It's got skirting all the way around it. We've got a 6-foot front just there, and then a 6-foot side there as well. And you can notice that we've got the matching decking, so it's colour coded to the windows, so they're exactly the same colour. And then we've got that lovely exterior cladded finish on the Oakland Lodge there as well. So you can see the main entrance in, then we've got a set of steps and then a gate there as well. And as we're coming through the main door, we've got this lovely area here, which is perfect if you're coming in once it's wet. Somewhere to sit down and pop your shoes on or take your shoes off just there. Somewhere for your coats, etc. to be positioned with storage above. And then as you look over this side, you can see we've got a sink and then a washing machine just below there as well, with a window just in front of that. Chrome finish on all of the light switches and sockets throughout the holiday home as well. So through the main door then into the main living area, you can see how much space we've got in here. With it being a lodge and 40 by 20 foot, you really do have a feel of space in here. So I'll just show you the view from your glass fronted deck just there then. So huge patio doors overlooking that lake. What a view you've got there. If we're lucky, you should be able to see some fish. See a few fish in there as well. This lake's been here 20 years, so it's a really nice mature lake, and there's plenty of fish in there waiting to be fed. Heron just there, look, to scare the rest of the birds away. So I'll come back in then. As you'll see straight away, we've got the island just here. So we've got 2 seats just there, and then next door to that we have this American style fridge freezer, a cracking kitchen, plenty of worktop space because you've also got the space to use on the island there as well. Lit up cupboards, and then we've got your dishwasher just below here. Over here then we've got your 5-star gas burner with an external extractor, oven over this side, and then a microwave just above. Pan round into the living area. You'll see over that far corner you've got space for a TV to be positioned, a 3-seater and a 2-seater sofa, and then a mirror just here with electric fire just below. Obviously it's a coal style fire, really effective. As we come through into the dining area, then we've got a 6-seater table just here. Nice light hanging over the top with storage just beyond that. Thermostat just here, and then additional storage here as well. We'll go through into the guest bedroom. So really nicely positioned, plenty of room in between these beds. Full size single beds, headboards. We've got LED lights just above the beds, and then the surround sound runs the whole way through the holiday home, so not just in the living area but the whole way through. So we've got this in each of the bedrooms. And then if we come back round this way, you can see we've got a dressing table, plenty of storage, wardrobe just on that far side there, and then somewhere to have a TV positioned there as well. We'll come back through then, and that will bring us into the main bathroom. Your board is enclosed behind that door just there. We've got your wash basin, storage mirror just there, and then more storage just below. And then if we come round, we've got a full-sized bath with the shower above, and then the mermaid board surrounding it there. Obviously with this being a lodge, you can see we've got them vaulted ceilings, so nice high ceilings throughout. And we'll just come through into here. So now we enter the master bedroom. And again, what a lovely, lovely holiday home this really is. Plenty of room again either side of the bed. We've got a bedside table either side. reading light either side, as well as the LED downlights just hanging down from there, look, just above the bed. The bed's on hydraulics as well, so it's a divan. It's got storage in there. Overhead storage just above where the TV is there. Dressing table as well. And then we've got your walk-in wardrobe here also. Then we go through into your ensuite. So in here, a decent sized shower tucked in the corner just there. Toilet, and then a wash basin with storage mirror above, and then more storage just below. Finally, we have the extractor just up on the wall just there. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the Love Oakland Lodge, 40 by 20, sited and ready for its new owner to take ownership. On a lakeside plot with the decking, full UPVC deck, and it is just 109,997 on a 12-month park. What do you think to that? So if you'd like any more information, please get in touch. Let me know. I don't think this will be around long because it is an absolutely beautiful holiday home, and you really need to see it with your own eyes to just grasp how nice it is. So I'll leave that with you, folks. I will be doing more videos later on today, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. If you want any more information on this holiday home or any others, just give me a call, 01754 252 889 or 07 425 77 30 30. Thanks. Bye-bye.